Welcome back to my channel. I'm Venus from Heart's Desire by Venus, and today I am going to show you my design team project for Line Dot Arrow. Natalie has got this kit out. I'm going to put a link below for the kit, but I just wanted to show you what I did with it. It was so beautiful, lots of blues and pinks and greens in there, and it really inspired me to make this cute little book. So this book, let's see, is measuring at 7.5 by 5.5, and I think that's only, that's about a 1.5 inch spine. So it's not a very big book, but it's packed full. So I've got a fabric cover here. This is an old Reader's Digest that I recovered. Gutted and recovered. So I've got some beautiful cotton upholstery fabric here that I put on with the colors that kind of match her kit. And then I've got a little pen loop here to put your pen in for your journal, as well as this beautiful card that she had from her kit in there. Some flowers and lace. When you open it up, you say, this is beautiful paper. I just love this kit. Just add a little bit of embellishments here on the front. Just a little tab with some lace and some fabric. Just a couple of blank pages. On this side here, it's hard to see. You can kind of see it. I've embossed a butterfly on this page. Added a little bit of a ruffle with a button and some lace on the back side here. Oops, that opened up. So this side, we added a flower, and I've got a little flip here, and as you see, it's got a little pocket held down by some washi tape, and I got some words. And then I've got some little not tabs, journaling cards. That's the word that I've stitched on and inked and distressed there. And put them in there. On this side, you've got a little pocket, which this was included in her kit. It's cute. Some of her paper that I just made into a tag. These are little embellishments that are also in the kit, and I just stitched and glued them on. And then I just made a little spot here for a picture or more journaling, whatever you'd like. That slides in there. A little bit of stamping here. This is the middle of the first signature. Sorry, there's two signatures in here. Again, just a little bit of a ruffle with some buttons on here. Some more stamping and some washi. This is another one of her beautiful papers. And here's the other half of that butterfly that I embossed. Yeah, I guess you can kind of see it. And here's another one of her pages with some flowers and some tabs here. And then this one is a little flip pocket, and I just put in one of her little tabs. Actually, one of her pages is a collage page with a bunch of little letters. So what I did is I cut them all out and used them as tags and journaling cards because it was so cute. So in this one here, oh, sorry, I lied. There's 3 signatures. I can't even remember what I did. 3 signatures. So in the middle one here, this opens up, and inside here, you have got some journaling cards. Now what I've done is I've put them on little spinners here. So now you can take your journaling cards out and write on them. And then when you're done, just put your spinners back on, the little arrows here, back on, and that holds those in place. You could probably get a few more in there. But I just thought it was something cute and fun. So I got another page here, just another piece of her ephemera on there and some dyed paper. And then in the middle here, I stitched in a doily, and I used it as a double pocket in the middle here. So her kit came with some very large tags, which I love. And I used some of her ephemera, and it's on some dyed paper here, watercolored paper. And another journaling card, and on this side the same thing, another journaling card and a large tag. I used a lot of watercolored paper in here because I felt it just went with her kit so nicely. And this is another one of her ephemeras from her kit. And then on the back side here, it's a pull-out, and it's a journal card, and I just stitched it all around in there and put it in there. But you could also put a few more things in this pocket. And then this is the back side. So you close it all up, use the Velcro dot, and it's all kind of contained. It's got a little 1/4 inch gusset on here, so you can actually pack in there quite a bit, and then you can journal in the back. So this is the beginning of the 3rd signature, and it just opens up here. And I did another Velcro closure here, and there's a pocket inside, and I just did a few more of her little journal cards in there. And then I did some stamping here, and left lots of spots for journaling. As you can see, you still have lots of journaling in here. Oh, flip that over. So this one, I'll probably do a video on this later, but this was one of her giant envelopes that she had in there. And what I did is I cut a slit in the top of it, and when I sealed it, I didn't seal the top. What I did is I put it underneath this page that I matted, and I'm using it as a flip. So then I'm just put a tall tag in there in that pocket. So I got some more inspirational words and some more stamping. Lots of lace on the edges in here. This is another pocket from her that was included in our kit. So I just did, again, a little spot for some pictures or journaling, and another one of her large tags that I just stitched a picture frame on the back there, so you could do with it as you please. That just slides in there. And then this is the middle of the signature. So you can see I've got lots of spots for you to journal here. And then this is a belly band. This one was so cute. It's a belly band, and she had these little tiny pockets. So what I did is I put them on the belly band. And these are some of the ephemera pieces, little labels that she had in the kit. So I just cut them out and put them in these little tiny pockets. It's so cute. And then behind here, it's another one of those photo mats and another one of her journaling cards, and I just stitched around it. So that slides under there. Some more lace and journaling spots. And then on the back here, it's another one of her pockets, which I've just layered over a doily. And I did spritz it a little bit there. And this is another one of those pages that I had cut apart on her thing, and I just stitched them all up. They make the cutest little cards. Slide it in, and we're at the back here. A little bit more embellishments. And that's just the back of the journal. So you can see it's just a little guy, but it is packed full with her beautiful paper. Again, I will put the link below to Natalie's store so you can get this kit yourself. It is absolutely gorgeous. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Let's subscribe. I'm really hoping to get to 1,000 subscribers this week, so give me that thumbs up and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you again soon. If you're looking for this project, please check out my Etsy store. It will be listed there probably by the weekend. Thank you again, and have a great day.